Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. This is ABL Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics. Today I am going to take a module whose name is Distance and the Section Formula, and this module is a part of the course Elementary Mathematics. So first we see the distance formula. Let x o x dash be a horizontal straight line and y o y dash be a vertical straight line drawn through a point O in the plane of the paper. The distance between 2 points P x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by PQ is equal to under root of this is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square in absolute value or determinant. So the distance between the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by the absolute value of under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, or determinant or absolute value of under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So distance of point P x comma y from the origin means the first point is x comma y and the second point is origin 0 comma 0. Then distance by the above formula can be calculated and it will be obtained by under root of x square plus y square in absolute value. Now we take one example. If the distance between the 2 points x comma 2 and 3 comma 4 is 2, then find the value of x. So the question is here, the distance between 2 points is given that 2, and now here we have to find the value of x. So because we are given that the distance is 2, so 2 is equal to we have to apply the distance formula. So absolute value of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So first point x1 y1 is x comma 2 and the second point y1 comma y2, first point x1 comma y1 is x comma 2 while the second point x2 comma y2 is 3 comma 4. So in solution we have seen there 2 means distance is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square, so x minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, so 2 minus 4 whole square is written there. So 2 is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus 4 in square root. Now we have to solve this equation, so squaring both the sides, and after solving we will get the value of x equal to 3. So this is the answer. Now applications of distance formula. For given points A comma B comma C, to decide whether they are collinear or vertical of a particular triangle, after finding the distances AB, BC and CA, we shall find the points are first collinear. What is condition? If the sum of any two distances is equal to the third distance. Second condition is vertices of an equilateral triangle. If AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Third condition is vertices of an isosceles triangle of AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CA and CA is equal to AB. So this is the condition of isosceles triangle, means all the three sides are equal. D condition is vertices of a right angle triangle. So the condition of Pythagoras theorem must be proved here, like AB square plus BC square is equal to CA square, or BC square plus CA square is equal to AB square, or CA square plus AB square equal to BC square. The second application, for given any 4 points A, B, C, D, first point is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD equal to DA, and so if all the four sides are equal, then ABCD is a square. ABCD is a rhombus when AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. If it is a condition, then it is a rhombus. While for the square, all the four sides must be equal and the diagonals AC and BD must be equal. For the rectangle, AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA, and the two diagonals AC and BD must be same, then ABCD is a rectangle. And the D condition is this is of a condition parallelogram. So if AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA, then ABCD is a parallelogram. Now section formula. Coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining the points Px1, y1 and x2, y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 are. So first condition is the first formula here. It is the internal division formula. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2 for internal division. So this is the point which divides the line segment PQ in the ratio of m1 is to m2 as shown in the figure, and m is to n is the ratio. If m1 is equal to m2, then the point will be the midpoint of PQ, and its coordinates are given by x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, and P is the midpoint of AB. For external division formula, just we have to take negative sign in the internal division formula in between the two terms. So like m1 x2 minus m2 x1 upon m1 minus m2 comma m1 y2 minus m2 y1 upon m1 minus m2 are the coordinates of the point which divide the segment PQ externally in the ratio of m1 is to m2. Example. Find the ratio in which the line segment divides the line joining the points 1, 2 and minus 2, 1. So first of all we have to find the ratio in which the line segment divides these 2 points. In what ratio? We have to find in what ratio this line segment divides the 2 points line. So ratio is given by, that is here 3 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 7 upon 3 into minus 2 plus 4 into 1 and minus 7, and this is equal to minus 4 upon minus 9 means 4 upon 9, that is equal to 4 is to 9. Next question is, find the points of trisection of the line joining the points A and B. So we are given that 2 points A and B whose coordinates are given. So we have to find the coordinates of 2 points which divide this line segment AB in 3 equal parts. So suppose these points are P1 and P2. The coordinates of the point P1 is given by P1x, y is equal to, we have to apply the section formula where P1 divides the line segment AB in the ratio of 1 is to 2 and P2 divides the line segment AB in the ratio of 2 is to 1. So for the point P1 we have to apply the internal division formula where first point is x1 y1 is 2 comma 1 and the second point x2 y2 is 5 comma 3 and the ratio m1 is to m2 is 1 is to 2. When we will apply the formula, so we will get the coordinates of the point P1 is 3 comma 5 upon 3 and the coordinates of point P2 which divides the AB in the 2 is to 1 ratio and which is 4 comma 7 by 3. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. Thank you.